What's up guys, I'm here with a new video on how to create a fully functional real estate website with WordPress using Houzez theme. My name is Waqar and I welcome you on my YouTube channel Coding with Waqar. This is the demo website that we are going to design and develop. In this video, you will learn how to add properties. Also, you will learn how to add and create agents and agencies, how to do on-page SEO using Yoast and rank your website higher on Google. Also, I will tell you how to register your website on Google using Webmaster tool, and you will also learn how to index your website. Also, I will teach you how you guys can optimize your website speed. The best thing of this video, you guys don't need to have any coding or web development experience. This tutorial is very helpful for everyone, either you are a beginner or you have some web development experience. By watching this video, you add more skills in your profile. Also, you don't need to spend money on purchasing the themes because I am giving free themes and plugins. To take the full advantage from this video, do watch this video from start to end because every part of this video is very helpful to you guys. So get your favorite food and start watching this tutorial and subscribe to this channel Coding with Waqar. This is our WordPress dashboard where we design our website. On your left side there is a button of dashboard. By clicking this dashboard you will return to main dashboard. In post section we create our blog and manage their categories and tags. In media section we add our images or videos. You can find all of images and videos here. Or in pages section we add our pages like home, contact us, about us, and manage other pages like shop page or cart page. In comment section we manage our comments. In appearance we add our themes or customize a theme, add widgets, create menu, and also we can add custom code using theme editor. In plugin section we add our plugins, and in user we manage our user, like someone purchase anything on your website, you can manage their account in user section. In tools we import and export many things or check site health. In setting we manage our landing page or set permalinks and set privacy and policy page. Let's start with adding our theme. Go to the website codingwithwaqar.com. Simply visit this URL. You can find the theme. The theme that we are going to use in this tutorial is Houzez theme for real estate. Go to the shop page. Here you can find the Houzez real estate theme. Click. Click add to cart button. By default it's showing $5, but if you use the coupon code you will get this theme totally free. Let's go to the checkout page. On your checkout page, hover this option, have a coupon. Click here to enter your coupon code. Coupon code is free theme 22. You will find this free coupon code in description. Let's apply this coupon code. Coupon code applied successfully. $5 has been removed from your account. Let's add the following account details or billing details to proceed to the download our real estate theme. I'm from Pakistan. You can enter whatever country you belongs. Enter street district. I'm going with Karachi or Pakistan. Let's enter your city, Karachi. Select your state. I'm from Sindh. Let's enter your zip code 7550 or enter your phone number 0301 123. Enter your email address. Let's add our password. Password must be 12 characters long and uses this special character number and upper and lowercase character. Just click view and go A, B, C or D, and let's add a special character. Just then click to place order. It's saying that billing state is required field. Our state is missing. Let's add this to Sindh. Okay, then click to place order. Our order has been placed successfully. Now here we will download our WordPress theme. Houzez real estate WordPress theme. Click download. Click save. Here I am pausing the video so it will download, then we will proceed further. Now our theme has been downloaded successfully. Go to the containing folder, show in folder. Here you have to care of one thing, that this is not the main file. You have to extract here or unzip this file to see the main file of theme. Click extract here or unzip. Go to this folder, Houzez real estate WordPress theme. Here is the main file of our theme. Go to the website. On your WordPress dashboard, hover on appearance and click themes. Let's close this option. Click add new. Then click upload theme and drag this file into choose file option. Then click install now. It will take few minutes according to your internet speed and your server response time. Just wait. Our WordPress theme installed successfully. Click activate. Now our WordPress theme has been activated successfully. Click real estate and hover, click visit site. This is our home page, or you can say landing page of the website. Let's proceed with installing our plugins. Just click on dashboard. After installing the theme, you have noticed that this theme requires the following plugins. Just click on begin installing plugins, click this, check this option plugin, and on bulk action click install, then click apply. All the plugin has been installed successfully. Click return to record plugin installer. Then again check this option. On bulk action click activate, then click apply. All the plugin has been activated successfully. There is no error. Then just click this page, refresh this page. After installing themes and plugins, you can see that we have lots of more options like Houzez, real estate, and Mailchimp. This is coming from the themes and plugins. Just go to the Houzez option and then click on demo import. Before importing the file, make sure that you have a max execution time of 400, memory limit 128 MB, and post max size 32 MB, and upload file max size is 32 MB. If you have this file, you are ready to go. Here we have different demo according to your choice. What layout do you like? You can then just click and import demo. Let's move more downward. Let's select the one demo that looking more beautiful and attractive. I think you can also preview demo by clicking this preview demo button. Close this file. Just wait. Yeah, it's looking great. There's a slider option, or here are listing. Go back to the options, or let's go with this layout. Click import demo. It will ask you to join our WP forms or all in one SEO or monster site. Just click continue and import without selecting this option. Click continue and upload. Now our demo content is importing. Just wait, it will be import shortly. While this demo data is importing, go to the settings, set our permalinks. Just close this option. Permalinks normally is our URL. It will help Google to optimize or index our website easily. Just click on post name. You can also select according to this numeric or month and name. If you want to show your website content with date and time, you can select this option, but I'm going default with post name. It will help your website to grow fastly on Google. select this post name and click save changes. Now our permalink has been set. The demo content is still importing. Now our demo content has been imported successfully. Just click visit site. It is showing that the slider with alias new gallery is not found because we haven't created the slider in slider option, but remaining or other content has been imported successfully. All the listing according to the categories gorgeous villas, comfortable family home or team members has been imported successfully. Let's go to your dashboard again. Click visit site. Let's first fix this. Go to your WordPress dashboard, hover on pages and click pages. Then search for home page. Here is our home page. On your home page, go to the page header option, header type, and then select to the image. By default it has one image of this. Click update. Then go to this page and refresh it. Now this error has been gone and the image is looking beautiful. Let's go to the dashboard and go to the header section. Click theme options and click logos and fav icon. Fav icon is the icon of your site identity. You can see this little icon, it's called fav icon or site icon. You can change in logos and fav icon section. By default the Houzez theme uses is icon or logo. Just click upload and you can upload according to you and your own logo. I'm going with the default one. Then go to the header section. In header section we have multiple options or pre-made templates of header like Houzez, and you want to show the phone number and location and working hours in your header. Here you can go with this option. Just click this option and then save changes, and then refresh this page. You can see the header is changed. You can also manage the phone number and email address, location or timings. Here is the option of changing the phone number or timings. Here is the timing options, or here is the location. You want to disable or enable, you can just select the option disable, save changes, then refresh this page. Now you can see that the location or address has been gone. If you want to show a specific part of the header, like you can select here. You want to change the phone number, you can change it from here +92. You can use your country code. I'm going this. Let's move to the enable, then click save changes. again refresh this page. You can see that the phone number has been changed, and we have again enable the location or address. It is showing that. Let's try the another. You can go with according to you. You can also give the social icon address from here in social media section. By default it's showing the Instagram is default link using hash. You can add your social media links here by just copy and paste it here. You can also disable or enable from here. I'm going with the default one. Here we can show the listing button. By default it is disabled. Let's check by enabling this. Click save changes. After saving the changes, go to the website and just refresh. Now you can see that there is a button of create a listing. Later on we will be discussing how to creating a list or create agents or properties. For now I'm going with disable this option, and then go to style. I'm going with default one, this. Click save changes. Just refresh it. Now we have more option, like right now we have a top bar. In top bar we have social icons or phone number and email address. You can change these option in top bar option. Click top bar. Here the phone number you can change according to you, and the email address, let's change the email address of John and email.com, or phone number, whatever the phone number of yours, you can give it. I'm going with the just for learning purpose. You can also select the top bar left area, should be social icons or contact info. Let's change first, see the phone number is changed or not. Just save changes, then go to the website and refresh the page. You can see that the phone number has been changed and also the email also changed. Let's move the position of social icon and contact info. Let's move the on left top bar, contact info, and social media in right top bar right area. Click save changes. Just refresh this page. Now you can see that the phone number is showing in the top bar left section and social media icon showing in the top bar right section. Come again, and if you have a slogan of the website you can enter here. Also you have an option of hide top bar in mobile, yes or no. By default it is going it is checked to yes. I'm going with the default one. Go to the login and register option. Here you can select the login and register setting, display the login in the header section, or display the register in the header section. I'm going with the yes. Login, what should be the login and register type? I'm going with the show as icon. You can also select show as text or login menu. The menu should be only show for the login user or registered user. I'm going with default no. You can also add the Facebook social login like by adding the Facebook API key. I'm going with the default setting. Click Save Changes. Then come into the price and currency. That your website is a multi-currency like US dollar, or you can also use PKR or Canadian dollar. I'm going with the US dollar by default. Short price, or you can select the currency symbol here. Currency symbol position before the price or after the price. 1000 separator, for example the default one, or decimal. I'm going with the default. Then go to the typography. Here you can select the whole website typography, the font size or heading size or font family. By default the font family is Moli. You can select according to you. NTR, Nusha. What should be the font weight is currently it is on light 300 bold. The navigation or footer font family and font size, and footer font weight you can select according to you. Top bar font family or font weight. What should be the heading size, heading weight. I'm going with default. Then come to the styling. Here you can select the styling color of your website. Background color is white or text color is black. What should be the primary color? You can select according to you. Or let's change it to the default. You can also change the navigation bar color, submenu text color, or advanced search. You can spend time in this section to design or select the color according to your choice. I'm going with the default one. Just click Save Changes. So far we have go through the our top bar, main menu, and how to change the logo and icons. Let's set our menu. Just go to the appearances and click on menu or menus. Here you can update and more pages into the main menu, or here we have 4 menus by default. We have a main menu to select to the main menu. You can rename it according to you, or you can create on your own by just click the create new menu and give the name of the menu 1. And what should be its position, top menu, main menu, or menu left. Let's click to the main menu, then click create menu. Let's add the pages. Let's home page, click add, about us, blog, all agents or listings, my profile, click add new, then save. Just like then you can see that the menu has been changed. This is our new menu. Here you can select menu according to you, what item and what buttons you want to show in menu. Now let's add the listing, or you can say that the property, by just going to the real estate button. Before adding a new property or listing, we have to add their terms normally as type or status, feature, labels, country, state, city, area, agencies. Just click to the properties. Here you can see that the what is the city. City is New York, or you can also say that Karachi, Pakistan, or Islamabad, and the word should be its type: single family home, apartment. Status: it's for sale or for rent. Its price: it's featured yes, it's featured no. Let's go to the type. First, add the types. By default it is showing that there are lots of type: commercial, office, shop, residentials. When you see the any category, any type, or anything that written in besides the underline or not underline, the hyphen or dash, it means that it is the subchild or subcategory. it's it is come into under the umbrella of something. Like this office is coming into the commercial is the main category or main type. You can say that commercial is the parent category, office is the child category. Let's add by adding new category. Type top floor. Click add new type, then enter top floor 1, then select its parent, then click add new type. Now you can see that the top floor is a parent category and top floor 1 is a child category or child type. Go to the real estate and click on the status button. What should its status? For rent or for sale, for closure. We can also add like it is for only display purpose. Just click display and add new status. Then go to the features. Why a customer or buyer buy your property or listing? Because it has a features like air conditions, barbecue, dryer, it has gym, it has laundry, it has lawn, microwave, or you can all add more features like it has gaming rooms. Then just click add new feature, then come again and go to the labels. Into the labels, currently we do not have any labels. Just type trending, then go to the country. By default we have only one country named United States. You can also add more countries according to you from which country you are working for real estate. Let's add Pakistan. Enter add new country, then go to the state. Just by default it's showing the default states like Chicago, Florida, New York. Let's add Sindh. Click add new state, or Punjab. You can add according to you. Then you can also select the option which country has this state. Pakistan has the Punjab state. Click add new state, then go to the real estate and hover on the city. Let's add our city, Karachi. Which state has this city? Select Sindh. Click add new city, then add Lahore and select this to Punjab, then click add new city. Now our city has been added, and go to the area section. Which area you work on, like this property belongs to which area. Let's add Karachi, just for learning purpose and testing purpose. Which city has this area? Click Karachi, click add new, then again go to the real estate. So far we have add all the necessary things that needs in adding new property, like type, status, features, country, state. Let's add our new property by clicking the new property. On your website, go to the listing. For learning purpose, or we will just copy the default text and default description from the previous listing. Just wait. You can enter the title of your property. Let's add most luxurious, or you can name it luxury home, and its sale or rent price, like $2,000, or what the amount you can add according to you. Let's add to the $50,000, or second price optional, like 45 or 48,000. You can also set the price prefix. It is starting from 48,000 or 40,000 to 50,000. What is the area size? You can also add a area size from here. Just copy the demo content. It is showing that only the postfix size. How many bedrooms it has? 5 bedrooms. Or how many rooms? Let's 3 rooms. And how many washrooms? 5. Garage 2. Garage size, let's 200. Air built, let's add 2021. Property ID, let's add the H01. Additional features, like it has gym, or it has swimming pools, or it has gaming room, or you can add it has lawn, or maybe you can add like it is a top playing area. You can add their value. Here is the feature of the listing. Go click air conditioning. It will showing the properties according to the air conditioning. Let's add value 2000 or for testing or learning purpose only. Just copy and paste it. You can add more from here. I'm going with the giving option only. Go to the type, what type it is. It is a residential apartment. You can select according to you, or you can also add new type from here. What is its status? It's for sale or for rent as well, or you can select its features: air conditioning, barbecue, dryer, or it has refrigerator, outdoor showers. Let's add its labels. It's trending, which country it belongs: Pakistan, from which state, Punjab, or which city it's belong, Lahore, which area. Maybe let's add new area by clicking just add new. Type new Lahore, or just type Lahore, click add new. Let's set its feature image. Select this image, click set feature image. If your property has a expiry date, you can select according to you. Let this property will be expired in this time. I'm going with the default setting. Go to the map. You want to show the map, show or hide. I'm going with the hide option. Property setting, street address like ABC Road, Lahore, zip code 1235. Whatever the zip code of your area, you can add it here. Do you want to mark this property as featured? Yes. The user must be logged in to view this property. No user can also view this property without account or login. Go to the media. You can add the thumbnails. You can see the following images under the property or thumbnail. Here is the media of this property. You can add it from here. Just click images and then click select. You can also add the video from other sources. If you have your video, click contact information, author info or agent info. I'm going with default. Click slider. We do not have now a slider image. Click sublisting. If your property have a sublisting, you can also add it from here. I'm going with the default. Floor plans, property documents. You can add the property documents or copy of the property documents. You can also add the private note, like this is limit time offer. Property top type global, or rental details booking shortcode. You can add it from here. Then just click publish. Now our property or listing has been published successfully. You can view this from here. This is our property. This is the feature image. This is the gallery image. We have added 5 bedrooms with 5 washrooms, 2 garages, and size of the garage The built year 2021. Here is the property details, additional details. Gym for $22,000. Swimming pools, its value is $1,100. Address is this: ABC Road, Lahore. City, Lahore. State or country, Punjab. You can also select its mortgage or interest from this calculator. Additional feature: it has air conditioning, dryer, refrigerator, outdoor shower, barbecue. You can, if your customer want to buy this property, he or she just type their contact details and he or she directly contact you. Now we have successfully added our listing. Let's go to the dashboard and add agency or agent. Just click the agencies. By default we don't have any agency. Now click add new agency. Name the agency like most reliable real estate agency. You can give it the name of the agency. Email address like reliable agency at gmail.com. You can select its visibility, hidden or non-hidden. I'm going with the default. Enter the phone number. Or you can also add the phone number and mobile number here. The language agency speak English. Their tax number. Their address Lahore, Punjab. Their social media account details or URLs. I'm going with the default one. Just type hash for learning purpose only. You can also enter the fax number, WhatsApp number. Just copy this and paste it here. Copy this, the website URL, and paste it here. License number. Just type the demo license number and just type the, go to the feature image, select feature image. You can add the agency feature image whatever you want. I'm going with this one, or maybe this one. Click set feature image, click publish. Now our agency has been added successfully. Go to the dashboard, then click agents. By default we have 4 agents in our agent section. Let's add more. Type just add new. Name the agent like Minham, or enter their short description, or just copy the description from the agents. Just copy the demo content lorem ipsum and paste it here. Enter its email address like minham at realestate.com, service area Punjab, position seller, license number. Just give it demo content, enter its number like whatever number you want to enter. Enter their office number 54 or 56, the language he or she speak. He speaks English. Their Skype ID, Facebook URL or LinkedIn URL, their WhatsApp number. Just copy the mobile number and paste it here. Their address, ABC Road, Lahore. The website they work for, just copy the URL of your website and paste it here. Then go to the, you can also select the categories by select the agent by categories, like he's a seller or he's a owner or founder, and which city he work for. Let's add Lahore. Click add new city, then add the feature image. Let's select this image. You can also select according to your I'm going with the demo content image. Click set feature image, then click publish. Now our agent has been added successfully. Click view agent. Here is the agent that we have just created, Minham, and agent license, service areas Punjab. Here is its phone number. Just click the call button, it will directly call to your agent, or just click send email, it will pick up the email and send it to the email address. He speaks English, and their website he worked for. Their email address is showing here, office number. Now our agent has been successfully added. Just close it and go to your dashboard and go to your properties. We have just added this property. Open it, then select its agent or agency. Click property, then close this, also labels. Here you can add the agent or agency, like I'm going the agent info, and when you click to agent info it will show the option like select an agent. I'm going with the Minham that we have just created. Then click update and then click view property. The detail of the agent Minham will be showing there. Here is our listing or property, and the agent is Minham that sells this property. We will directly call to the Minham to purchase or buy this property. Now we have successfully added properties, agents and agencies. Go to your WordPress dashboard and visit your website. From here, Houzez. Also you can select these settings. You can also customize the searching form or which listing you want to show on your home page. Just click edit with Elementor. You can also change its heading. Just click find your perfect home, and on your left you can change its heading or text, like find your perfect home, or you can make it like find your dream home. Let's change its color or font family. Just going to the style tab and go to the section title. You can change its font size. Here you can change its font family. By default it is taking the font family of the theme. I'm going with this font family. Click update. Click this pen button. This is the carousel of the property. You can also select how many properties you want to show on desktop, like 4 or 5. By default it is showing 4. Now I have changed it to 5. Now it will show the 5. Now you can see that the 5 property is showing. You want to select the autoplay button, yes or no. I'm going with the yes. Autoplay speed 3000 means 3 seconds, or you can play. You want to show the dots, yes or no. It will showing here. You can see that the dots is not looking very much good. Just click no, then scroll down. Here's the option of the meet our team. Here is the listing showing according to the category of city. By default it is showing the only categories of New York. Just click this pen button and change its filter option. Click filters, and from city section you can also change it to like Lahore. How many properties are in Lahore, you can select it. We have only one property in Lahore, so it's showing only one. Or it is also, you can also select multiple cities. You can also show a listing according to the state or country. scroll down, and here are our service. You can also change this text according to you. Just click this text and go to the choice listing and add it here, whatever text you want to add. I am making real estate website. That's awesome. You can also enter the URL of the next page, or you can also redirect to the other video. Scroll down, it is coming from our blog page. Here is our footer. You can also change your footer by going to the footer section, click update. Let's customize the search bar. Go to the pages. On your pages, go to the home page. Here you can set the setting of banner search. If you want to show the search in banner, you can select this. I'm removing this. Click update. Just visit your home page. Now you can see that the search bar has been gone, but it's not looking that much attractive or beautiful. Here you can also change this text, discover your place to live. Here is the text that you can change. Just make it to enable again. Click update. Now then go to the WordPress dashboard. Refresh this page. Let's add the blog into your website. This is the section that coming from the blog. Blogs will make your website more visible to the customer and on Google. Just hover on the pages post, then click all post. By default we have only 4, or we have 13 posts. Hello world is showing it from here. Let's trash it. It's not looking that much good. You can add new post from here, and also by clicking this button, add new. Let's add blog or post categories. We right now we have business category, construction category. Let's add another category like display. Go to the tag section. Here we have tags like apartment, business development, or we can also add new construction. Click add new. Then go to the add new post. Let's most luxurious apartment, and then select its category, business or whatever you want, tags like apartment, or new construction. Click set new feature image. Click set feature image, then click publish. Let's edit this post with Elementor. Open this blog or post. For learning purpose, we will copy the data from this post. You can create according to you. Just wait. Let's add another section by just clicking this button and then select this row, select this box and search for text or text editor. Just drag and drop it here. It is very easy to use Elementor. Elementor is a page builder that we use to create beautiful and attractive websites. Just copy this default text and paste it to here, and then again come to the dashboard of Elementor and select heading, drag in and drop it here, and go to the website and copy this text and paste it into the here, and then again copy this text, again add our text editor and paste it here. Here we have a thumbnails or images. You can also add like this. Just go to the URL dashboard of the Elementor, and here we have an inner section. Just drag and drop it here and add new column by clicking right click on this column section, click add new, and once again click add new. Come to the Elementor dashboard and search for the images. Here we have an image button, image. Make sure you have it from to full size. Click image and just wait and add an image according to you. You can also go to the dashboard of Elementor and again select the image, or you can also select, just right click this and make it duplicate. After duplicating the image, just drag and drop it to the next column. It will save your time. Let's change this image. Just wait and let's select this image. Then select this image. Now we have successfully added our blog. This is the feature image and some content with heading and text. You can also add more images, and here is a tag that we have added. Just click this nav bars and click exit to dashboard. On your home page, just refresh this page. Here is the blog that we have just created, most luxurious apartment, with this thumbnail. You can just click this to view all. It's looking very good. You can also customize this blog page. There is a sidebar on right where recent posts are showing and recent comments, topics, archive. If you want to manage and customize, you have to go to appearance, then click widgets. Here you can find lots of widgets according to you. Blog sidebar. Here is the widgets that are showing from here. This is the search bar. Here is the search bar. If you want to show the search bar, you can add and remove it from here by just clicking three dots and then click remove block. Then there is a option of recent post. If you want to delete this section, just simply click this and remove block. Here is the option to customize your footer. There are three columns. In first column, about site, Houzez, and in second widget we have contact us. In third widget we have discover. Let's go to the first footer area. You can add more text according to you. Let's add the I am learning WordPress. In the footer area 2 or widget 2, there is a contact information. You can customize according to you by just double click, then enter your address like Lahore, Pakistan, and call us free, and change its phone number like 923111123. You can give according to you. Then enter your email address like real estate agent. Then go to the footer area 3. Here is our discovery. If you want to add more content, you can also add in the footer area by just clicking plus button and add block. You can use whatever you want to add. Just use this. Just let's add image. Click to media library, or also you can upload new image. I'm going with the media library. Let's add this image. Select, then click save and click update. Let's check our website on the browser and log in to view property and try to see the listing. Just open the new tab or private window and search for our website. Is this registration button and go to the register. It is showing that user registration is disabled for demo purpose. Let's fix this. Go to your settings, then just click settings and click on membership. On membership, check this option, anyone can register, and click save changes. Go to the website and just refresh it. Again, click this option, registration button or login button. Click register. Here we can see that the registration is open. Click username like Waqar, email address, whatever the email you want to enter your email address. I'm going like email at Waqar at mail.com. Click I agree and then click register. Whatever the email you enter, it will send the password of the login details to your email address. So you have to very careful about giving the email address that will accurate and working fine. If you don't want to send the password of the registered user on its email, so just go to your website, then go to the theme option, click login and register. On login and register section, search for the login button. Go to the login and register section. Here you can find user can type the password on registration form. It by default it is selected to no. Just set to yes, then click save changes. Then refresh this page. Again, go to the register button. Now we have a password option as well. Type username like Waqar12, email address Waqar12 at gmail.com. Password is click I agree with terms and condition and click register. Now account, it is showing that your account was created and you can log in now. Go to the login and type the username and give the password and click login. Now we have successfully logged into the website. Go to the my profile button. Here you find lots of things according to you. Here is your username. You can upload your image or your client or customer update its information. Go to the save searches. We don't have any searches. Okay, go to the Houzez themes, then like click this property. Here you can select this property by print or share, or you can like this property. It will shown to your account. Now we have successfully added how to register or log in as a user. Let's add our payment gateway or payment options. Go to the WordPress dashboard and then go to the payment gateways. Click payment gateway. Select the payment gateway option, Houzez custom gateway or WooCommerce. Click Houzez custom gateway. Then go to the PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, then just give the client ID or client secret key or receiving email, or go to the Stripe setting, click enabled, then secret key and the Stripe publish key. Then go to the direct payment or wire payment, you can add it according to you. Click enabled, then instruction of the wire transfer, click save changes. Now we have successfully designed and developed our real estate WordPress theme with Houzez theme, and we have successfully added agencies and agent and add properties. Also we have set our payment gateways. Let's apply on-page SEO on this website and register your website on Google. It will help to rank your website higher on Google, so your customer or client easily find your website on Google. On your WordPress dashboard, go to the plugins and click add new. And search for the Yoast plugin. Yoast is the best plugin for making your website. Yoast is the best plugin for rank your website higher on Google. Just click install now. You can see that it has 5+ million active installations. And then activate. After activating the plugin, you will redirect to this plugin page. By default we have two plugins, this Akismet or Hello Dolly. Just delete these plugins. Before starting further, you must have a Gmail account for registering your website on Google. Make sure you have login your Gmail account. After installing the Yoast plugin, hover on this Yoast icon. On previous version or old version, there is a option of set up the Yoast plugin. In the new version, it is moved from here and it is here with a new name of workout. It is the same installation file or configuration. Just click workout. If you're using old version, there is an option that is coming here, configuration of setup. Just go to the workout. The steps are the same. Here you can see that SEO workout option. Then go to the configure Yoast SEO, click start workout. After clicking the start workout, go down to this options. Does your site represent an organization or person? Whatever your site belongs, you can select according to you. I'm going with the organization name like real estate. Whatever your website name, you can write it here. Select the logo of your website. It will register against your website that it, and on Google it represents that this belongs to you. select this logo. After selecting the logo, you can add that site tagline here. If you have social media accounts or social profiles, you can also submit it. Then we have a help us improve your SEO option at asking you to track your site data. I'm going with the default one. No, don't track my site data. Then sign up for newsletter. I'm going with the default one. Make sure you have click continue or save and continue button after giving everything. The logo is not showing because the logo is in white color, and the background of this yoast configuration is also white. That's why we are not seeing the logo. Just click save and continue. Then click the URL of your Facebook website, like https www.facebook.com, whatever your page or profile URL, you can give it here. Then click save and continue. Then also click save and continue. Then click there is an alert before you finish this workout. Please start the SEO data optimization in step 1. Let's move to the step 1. Here is the option of start SEO data optimization. Click this. It will take few minutes to optimize your data. It also depends on your website content. If you have a e-commerce website, it will, or many products on your website like 200 or 300, it will take more time. If you have less data, it will take less time to optimize your data. Just wait. Sometimes it fails to optimize your data. Don't worry about this failed to optimize your data. You come back, log out and remove your cache and browser history, then come again and start SEO data optimization setup. It will be optimized. Now our SEO data optimization has been complete. Go to the downward and click finish this workout. It's saying that congratulations, amazing, you are successfully finished the configuration workout. After setting up the configuration, then go to the yoast option, click general. This is the most important step in doing on-page SEO of your website. Click Webmaster tool. On Webmaster tool, you have 4 options: Bedo verification, Bing verification, or Google verification. Sure, because the Google verification and Google is most popular on search engines and everywhere, just click Google Search Console. Before clicking this, you must have login a Gmail account, whatever you account want to connect with your website. First log in that account and then click Google Search Console. Once you click the Google Search Console, it will redirect to Google Webmaster tool. In Webmaster tool, there are 4 options to submit your website to Google, like HTML file upload, HTML tag, or to another option Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager. The 2 is for registering your website. Let's click to HTML tag and just copy this meta tag. After copying this, come to your website and paste it here. After pasting here, make sure that you don't have any security plugin installed on your website. If your website has a security plugin, it will show an error because it has some code and your security plugin not allow to do this. Click Save Changes. Now Google verification code has been add it on your website, go to Webmaster Central and then click verify. Webmaster Central is saying that great job, your website is now verified. Our website is now registered on Google. Sometimes it fails to register because some of errors and security issues. You can also submit this URL to your cPanel root access where your website files are located. Just go to the this option and download this XML file and upload to the upload on your cPanel root folder where your website is located. But in our case the HTML tag has been added and our website is registered successfully. You can also do this with Bing Webmaster tool. Just click Bing Webmaster tool and log in with Gmail or your email account and copy the verification code. You can then submit the Yoast Bing verification code and then save changes. It will be registered on Bing as well. I'm only going with Google verification code. After adding the Webmaster tool, go to the Google Search Console. Here is the website that Google Search Console. Click Start Now. On Google Search Console, we have two options to submit our website URL or domain. You can also submit the domain or complete URL. Just copy your complete website URL and paste it here. Click continue. It's saying that ownership auto verified. Then go to property. Click start. On Google Search Console, you can monitor your website performance, URL inspection, coverage, and check your sitemaps. And the error that find the Google on your website, it will show here, or you can receive an email. Let's go to your website, then on the Yoast General and go to the features. On the feature section side, find the XML sitemaps. Here is our option of XML sitemaps. Here is the option of XML sitemaps. Just click this question mark and then click see the XML sitemap and open link in new tab. Yoast plugin has found these sitemaps in our website. Just copy this URL and go to the Google Search Console and then click sitemaps. Sitemaps are basically the URLs that Yoast is found on your website. Just click and paste it here and remove this because we have already added our sites. Just click submit. It's saying the sitemap submitted successfully. So some of you can find this this is successful in green colors. Now in our case we have an error of couldn't fetch because we have lots of sitemaps and URLs in our website. That's why it's taking too much time. You can see that sitemap index processed successfully. In few days it will add all sitemaps on your Google Search Console account. Go to the sitemaps. You can also inspect your website or URL that Google has indexed your website or not. Just copy the URL that you want to inspect and paste it here, and then click enter. It is saying that the URL is not on Google. Also, you can inspect this test live URL. Just click the test live URL. Just wait. It is inspecting by going to the live. After you Google URL inspection, you can see that the URL is available to Google. You can submit a request to indexing. Just click request indexing. If your any URL or any link has been broken or Google didn't index, you can request to Google to index your URL. Indexing requested successfully, then click got it. This is how you can index your website or any URL. Come to your website, then click on search appearance. Here you can manage or customize your appearance on Google, how your data appear on Google. There is a title separator. You can see that this website using this separator. We have option. You can use this hyphen or line. I'm going with this. Click save changes. Also, you can submit your organization logo here. Just click save changes. Then go to the content types. In content type, you can manage what kind of data you want to allow Google to index or allow Yoast to index on Google. You want to show your post on Google. If you want to show your post on Google, then click on or if you want to show your post on Google, just click off. Sometimes we have make the website but forget to add content and to other posts and other pages. Just use this technique that Yoast pick up some of data from your content and appear on Google. Just type $% and click accept, and then click $%. Accept is a technique, or you can say that it will copy some data according to your posts and your pages from your website, and just copy, then click pages. You want to show your pages, yes, then click paste it here. Also, then you want to show your landing pages, yes, just click, and in meta description paste the accept. Then my templates, by default it is on to show my templates on Google, but I'm removing this because in template we have some dummy datas and testing templates to connect pages. Make sure you have this option off, or you can go according to you. Then come to the properties. Properties, we want to show the properties on Google. Just paste the accept, and then just remove this archive. We don't want to archive these properties. We also want to show agencies in Google Search Console or Google, and also remove the archive from here. It depends on you. You want to show your agents on Google. It is good practice to show your agents on Google, so some of your customer can find your website or your listing through your agents. Or maybe if you are doing the SEO on e-commerce website or other platform, you haven't find these options because it is coming from a real estate website. If you are working on e-commerce website, maybe you find categories, products, or tags, or product categories, product terms. It is the same, but it is depends on the themes. We are using the real estate theme, and maybe other maybe you want to do SEO on e-commerce website. Just go to this and add the meta description as accept. The steps are the same whatever the website you want to index or apply on page SEO. These are the same step. Just click save changes. We also remove this archive. Just wait. Just remove this and paste the accept here also. Click save changes. Go to the media, then go to the taxonomies. In the last RSS, go to this option, and it says that the content and the anything website like text and images are written is your property. Just remove this and copy the author link and paste it here, and also the blogs that you are the owner of this blog. Then paste the blogging link. Also copy this and paste to the before each post. Then click save changes. Go to the social. You can also submit your social media account links in this option. Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest. This is the most important step in doing on-page SEO of your website, and you can also edit some of your pages content using Yoast SEO plugin. Go to your all pages about. You can also customize your website appearance on Google, like this option is showing how to this is the title of your page, or this is the meta description. Go to your pages, then click your home page. Here you can also add keywords in your home page and your website. After installing the Yoast plugin and setting up the things, you can find Yoast SEO option in your right sidebar, or you can also find these option. You can see that there is a SEO plugin. It's not that much good because it's red. It is very angry that your SEO score is very low. Just add your focus key phrase or keyword like real estate. You can add like best real estate agency. Then you can also add this key phrase to just copy this key phrase or keyword and paste it and paste in your SEO site title. Or you can add you can also add the tags or values from insert variables. You add tagline or site title separator, or you can just enter your title like this. Whatever your site name, just enter your site name, or whatever your text you want to add, you can enter it. Then use the separator, then paste the key phrase. You can see that once you start working on doing SEO, it says that your SEO score uh, is now okay. Before its analysis, it's below the score, it's showing angry and in red color. It is the slug of your website or homepage or URL that comes after your website complete URL. This is the excerpt that we have just added in before this step. You can also customize the text. You can see that it is taking some of dummy content of from your home page, like find your dream home, lorem ipsum. You can add more of your text by just removing and add like the key phrase, and then we are the company, or you can say that we are the best real estate agency. You can see that this there is a line with orange color. It said it's okay, it's not that much good. If your line turns into green, it means that your SEO title is very good, or SEO meta description is very good. Also, you add more keywords like best rooms or apartments. You can see that the orange line turns into the green. That means that we have a very good meta description with the keywords. You can deeply analyze your homepage or other pages or posts by going by clicking this SEO analysis. It will says that outbound link is not in homepage. Outbound link that the homepage is not redirecting to other pages or other links. If when you add the outbound links, it will remove, and your SEO score will be increased. By default, we have just using the demo content, lorem ipsum. If you do really the real content, you can add more keyword, best real estate agency. It will remove from here. When these option has removed from here, it will turn into green, and your SEO will be great. Now our SEO part has been completed. Let's optimize our website speed. Just remove these tabs. Search the website GT metrics. GT metrics is a tool that analyzes your website speed or URL. Just copy the URL of your website and paste it here. It will take few minutes to analyze your complete website and give your website speed. Just wait. Your website speed matters on many factors like which server or which hosting you are using, and image sizes, or the content you have uses. The images are not too much. You have to use all the images or pictures in kbs, not in mbs or gbs. We can see that we have a good performance of 81%, and it's great. It's C, and its loading time is 3.3 second. It is much better than great, because the ideal loading time is 3 to 5 second on desktop, and it is coming in that. It also it is completely depending on server that we are using the best servers for hosting companies. You can also optimize more speed. Just go to your website and then go to the plugins. Click add new, and search for the plugin Smush. Smush is a plugin that will compress and compress your all images and make your website load more faster. Just click install now. Then click activate. Again come to the plugins and click add new. And search for the plugin light speed. You can find lots of more plugins on Cache, W3 School, or many others, WP Cloudflare, Super Page Cache, but I'm going with the light speed. It is a more useful and powerful plugin that speed up your website more. Just click and activate. Just wait here, then go to the Smush option. Let's set up the Smush. Smush is very good when you have lots of images or lots of videos. Like if you are working on e-commerce platform, there are lots of products. Here you can find that we have 120 images to Smush. Let's begin the setup. Just click begin setup. It's asking to automatically optimize new uploads. Click next. Just close this, or you can go with the default setting. I'm going with turning off. Just off this. If you want to track your usage data, then allow this. I'm going with default. Click finish setup wizard. It is checking our images that needs to be smushed. Now you can see that we have a total size of 3.58 MB. After smushing, it will reduce. Click to click on bulk smash now. It will take few minutes for smashing. While it's smashing the images, go to your light speed cache plugin and set up this plugin. This is the dashboard of your plugin. You can see that image optimize percentage and page optimization. It is a dashboard. Just go to general. Here you have to care one thing, that you don't need to change or disturb any setting by default. Just check that it's working or not. It's set to the off. Let's remain it to the off and go to the next option, to cache. By default the cache is enabled, and for login user also is enabled. In installing the light speed cache plugin, we don't need to add more and configure the files. By default it configure the best setting for our website. Now cache plugin has been installed and configured successfully. You can also optimize these options, but I recommend you to do not go these option, image optimization or page or database, because it may be crash your website, or maybe decrease your website speed. Just go to the smush plugin, then again click to the smush. Now our all images has been smushed. You can see that the 20.7 MB data has been saved using a smush. Then just click to the purge all. Then come into the again into the GT matrix, click back, and then click test your site again. Just wait. You can see that the GT matrix grade has been updated to B and the performance updated to 95%, and its total loading time is 2.3 second. The before loading time is 3.3 second, now is 2.3 second. I'm sure that you guys love this tutorial and learn new skills while watching this video. If you have any issue or any problem, you can comment and you can give your feedback in comment section. You can also contact me in my Facebook page, Coding with Waqar. I will be coming with a new video in upcoming days. Stay tuned and subscribe to this channel, Coding with Waqar.